Yeah. Hi Andy. Hello. Yeah. Today we'll go for the frameworks, right? Okay, Andy. So already we have discussed the all the advanced concepts and VB script and all the features of the QTP practically and theoretically all the topics we have discussed, right? Okay. Apart from that means whenever you are very comfort in QTP all the features, using that all the features, how we need to complete the one project by using automation, one tool on particular application, we need to discuss here. That we are calling as a frameworks, that we are calling as a frameworks. Okay na? Okay, so that we are calling as a framework. For example, what is a framework means, generally one application is there and this application you need to complete it successfully. So you can started some works and somewhere it will be failure, again you can overcome that one, again you can started again somewhere failure, again you can continue and overcome, again continue and finally again you can facing some problem, again you can overcome and continue. Like this, finally you are completed your project successfully. Okay, whenever another second project will be coming, now to complete these projects successfully, what is the failures you are getting that you need to avoid, what is the success you are getting, that all guidelines you need to gather and implement this second project very effectively and optimized manner, and we can go for a very easy manner, right? So these guidelines we are using and implement the very effective manner and optimized manner. So these we are calling as a framework. Framework is a generic work or set of guidelines given by the group of experts in order to implement the particular task effectively, efficiently and optimized manner. Very clear? So what is a framework? So already some other people will be start the first time one project. In that time they are facing so many problems that all the problems they can overcome and provide the very successful manner one project, means completed one project successful manner. So to go for the second project, what they are facing the problems in the first project, that all they can gather the overcome and gather the guidelines, and we can complete it in a very successful manner, very optimized manner by using that guidelines, right? So this we are calling as a framework. This we are calling as a framework. Framework is a generic work or set of guidelines given by the group of experts in order to implement the particular task effectively, efficiently and optimized manner. Okay na? So this is we are calling as a framework. Very clear? Now we have the types of frameworks. Types of frameworks. What is the types of frameworks we are having? First one is linear framework, second one is modular framework, and third one is keyword driven framework, fourth one is data driven framework, and fifth one is a hybrid framework. Okay na? So this is we have the frameworks: linear framework, modular framework, keyword driven framework, data driven framework and hybrid framework. Okay, so right here very important one is a keyword driven framework. Mostly all the companies are go for the keyword driven framework, otherwise a hybrid framework. Okay now, right? First we can start with our linear framework. Okay now, what is a linear framework means? For example, whenever all the companies are using the manual testing and test the application, in that time one company will be introduce the tool. Okay now, so using that tool and one company test engineer will be start the testing and they feel very happy. Oh, if you want to test one time and we need to play back 100 times also without human efforts again and again, we can test very easily. Like this, all are feeling very happy to introduce the automation in that time. Okay na? So whenever they need to go for the linear framework, okay, they can have the they are having the some guidelines. For example, we are having the one scenario like this. For example, we are having the scenario insert order, and next one is we can go for the open order. This is the two scenarios we are having. These scenarios they can enhance, so analyze in this manner, means login and insert order our flight application, and this is a logout. Again login, open order and logout. And same another scenario is login, logout, right? So this is our scenarios we need to go for the automation. Clear? So this is we are calling as a one scenario, and this is we are calling as another scenario, this is we are calling as a third scenario. Clear? Right ma. Next we can go for the another one is linear framework we need to follow. Okay na, and we can completed our scenario, right? What is the linear framework guidelines means? First, generate the basic script for our scenarios. Okay na, and next execute the test, and third one is analyze the result. This is the guidelines they are finding. Okay na. So depend upon these guidelines, they can start the recording the script. So first one is login, insert order, logout. Again login, open order, logout. Again login, logout. So whenever they can record it like this and start the executing, and it is working fine, all are feel very happy. Some day by day technology improved. In that time all are start the thinking, why we need to write the same script again and again and again. Okay na. So login, logout, login, logout, again and again we are written. So all are start the thinking, why we need to go for the same script again and again. That is the reason a lot of script will be coming, so performance will be very low. So all are start thinking, and they are finding the one drawback that we are calling as a there is no reusability in the linear framework. Okay. So using this drawback, and they can start the introducing the another framework that we are calling as a modular framework. Okay. So here what is the linear framework in sense? Recording and running we are calling as a linear framework. Okay. So whenever we are recording and running, and in that time we are facing the some problems like this, some drawbacks, there is no reusability. So to overcome that problem, we can go for the modular framework. Okay na. Okay. So what is the modular framework means? Okay. So to overcome the linear framework drawback, they are using the modular framework. For example, in same scenario, they need to implement it by using modular framework in this manner. First, they can generate the basic script. Login, insert order, open order, logout. This is a script they can generate it, basic script. Okay. To automate their scenarios. For example, required script they can split it as a particular action. Okay na? In same manner, required script, they can split it as a particular action. Like these different actions, they can split it here. Okay na? Whenever they can split it like this, okay, individual login script, insert order, open order, and logout. Okay na? So here we are having the login script and insert order, open order, logout. These all the script and required script they can introduce, they can split as a individual action, individual action, individual action, individual action, right? So these all the individual actions they can create as a reusable actions. These reusable actions they need to save into the particular location. Clear? Now one test engineer will start the preparing their scenarios. For example, that test engineer will be scenario is login, insert order, logout. Okay na? So they can call this reusable action and login and insert order, logout. Within 3 lines they can complete their scenario. So how we are calling the functions in library file? In same manner, I can call the reusable actions in some other action. In same manner, I can go for login, open order, logout, again login, logout. See, within 8 lines our scenario will be completed. But if you go for a linear framework, lot of coding we need to write, lot of scripting we need to write, right? So compared to that, this is very optimized manner, right? Very effective manner. Means these reusable actions we need to call into the some other action with one statement. Here you can write the 100 statements also, and that all the 100 statement you can call by using single statement only. So this is we are calling as a modular framework. This is we are calling as a modular framework, and this we are calling as a driver script. This we are calling as a driver script. Okay na? Right. So now you can go for the here. What is a modular framework means? First point is generate the basic script, and second point is split the required script into individual action, and third point is create the reusable actions. Fourth point is using that reusable action and prepare the driver script. Clear? This is the procedure we need to follow to implement the modular framework. So very clear, right? Okay, this same I need to go for the practically here, right? Okay, so remember this all, and I need to go for the practically here, right? And now I can go for the QTP in this manner. This is, we can go for the QTP. Where is our QTP? This is okay. And now I can start the opening the QTP. And right now observe here, I need to go for the flight application. So first I need to go for the linear framework, right? What is the linear framework? Recording and running only, right? Yes. So daily we are doing the recording and running, that is we are calling as a linear framework. Very clear. Now I need to go for the modular framework in this manner. First I can record our basic script. Okay na? So first login I need to go for the, okay, and activated the flight, okay, window, and then I can write the name is SREEKANTH, and after that I need to go for the password is Mercury and click OK button. After that I need to go for the insert order. This is insert order. Click on here and I can give the date, and I can go for here, and London to Paris I need to travel, so I need to book the ticket and flight. So this is SREEKANTH, and click on the insert order. Whenever click on the insert order, that will be loaded. Okay, now I can go for the open order also. I need to record because of our scenarios. This is only right. Okay, 6 and click OK, and this is we are calling as a logout and stop the recording. So very clear. So this is all the script: login, insert order, and this we are calling as a logout. Very clear, right? And these all the script are available in the single action only, right? Now I need to start the splitting my required script into some other individual action. Okay na? So this login functionality I need to split into the some other action. Okay, for example, if you want to split these 4 lines and keep the cursor in the next line only. Okay, now I need to split in this manner: edit, action, split action. Okay, so before splitting you need to save it. Okay, first of all you need to save it, this one. Okay, I need to save this in desktop. I can go for the reusable components. Okay na? And see, if you see here, it's a test is there, right? And that I need to change as a reusable components. Very clear? I need to save it. After that I need to split these 4 lines into individual action. This is only one action, all the script are available, and this required script I need to split into the individual action. So keep the cursor in the next statement where we need to split the script. Okay, now I can go for the file, edit, okay, action. So we need to go for the edit, action, split action, and we are splitting the script. That name you need to provide, that action name. I am giving the login. Remaining all the script will be stored into the with this name only, and click on OK button, and finally save it. Now see, observe here, login script is not there. That will be splitted into the separate action, individual action. Okay, in same manner I need to go for the insert order, edit, action, split action, and this I need to give the insert and click on OK button and save it. And same manner I need to go for the, this is a logout and login, edit, action, split action. This is we are calling as a open ORD, and finally this is you are calling as a log out. So very clear, and finally I can save it. So all the individual actions I need to split it. One action I need to split it into the 4 actions. Yes, after this I need to create the reusable action. To create the reusable actions, these individual actions, first to select the required individual action, normal action, edit. To create the, to convert the reusable action, edit, action, action properties, select the reusable action, click on OK button. Okay, now save it. Now see, this action will be created as a reusable action. Observe here. Okay, in same manner I need to create as a reusable action, insert, edit, action, action properties, select, OK, and save it. Again another one. See, these 2 are reusable actions. Very clear? And open order. How to go for the reusable action? Edit, yes, action properties, click OK. Very good. Okay na? Right. And another one, logout also I need to do like this only. Okay, this is we are calling as a reusable actions I need to create it. Clear? All actions we are create as a reusable actions. Okay na? And I need to save as a reusable components. After that, I need to take the one new fresh test. Okay, already I can created these reusable actions. Okay, and after that I need to create the fresh new test for our driver script purpose. So very clear. Now how to create our driver script for required scenarios instance by using these reusable components. Insert. Now we can go for the call to existing action and browse. Where we are stored the reusable action, that we need to find it, reusable components. Okay, and now in that, what is our scenario? Login, insert order, logout. So first I need to select the login, click on OK button. Now observe here. So that script will be coming. This is we are calling as a external action. It is not editable. It is not editable. If you type also, it's not editable. This is only reference file. Our actual script is this is only. If you execute this, login functionality will be completed. Okay na? Once again, how to call the reusable action? Yes, tell me. Insert order, call to existing action, browse the reusable actions. Already we are created reusable actions, right? Open and you say insert order, right? Insert order, click OK button. So this is actually our script. And after that I need to go for the again insert order, call to existing and browse. I need to go for the, this is we are calling the reusable actions, and then I can go for the logout. Okay, so this is the script I can return. After this scenario, I need to go for the in this manner. Another scenario also available, right? What is another scenario? Login, insert order, logout, right? So now I can go for the insert order in this manner, open order in this manner. This is select open order, and this is open order, click OK button. Now I can go for here, this is okay. And after that another scenario is login logout. So this is already is there, copy and paste. So this is our scenario: login, insert order, logout, again login, open order, logout, again login, logout. So very clear, yes. So to log in instance we require the application, right? So to invoke the application, no need to go for the manually, I need to go for the automation only. Okay, right. So what is the automation here? Means system util dot run, and I can write the path of the application. Okay, again same statement I need to copy paste here, because of we can log out, right? Again I can go for this. Okay, now see, I need to go for the very simple manner, click on the run button, all the functionalities will be start the executing. See, it will invoke the flight application, enter the username, agent name and password, click on the login button. After that insert order, see, and after insert order it will be logout, and again it will be started login, again open order, logout, again it will go for the login, logout. So this is we are calling as a modular framework. This is we are calling as a modular framework. Means here, okay, one action you need to use in the some other action. This is the main concept here. That purpose you need to create the normal action as a reusable action. That reusable action you need to use in some other action. So you can go for the reusable action. So we can go for the very optimized manner. This is the way any big project also you need to go for the, okay na. So modular framework by using. Okay. So first of all, what we are doing, generate the basic script. After that, split the required script into individual action. Create the reusable actions. Using reusable action, we can create the driver script. Okay na? So this is we are calling as a modular framework. This is we are calling as a modular framework. So very clear. Okay. Once again, can you implement this one now? Okay. Yes. And first new test I need to open it, and now you can implement ma. Okay na? Yeah. And just I need to observe here, and just totally you need to implement it in the same scenario. Okay. Yes, you can go ahead. First you can open. Yes. First we need to record your scenarios. Yes, very good. It's a recording. Yes, move this, move. Already is there. You can stop the recording, ma. You can stop the recording. Yes, you can stop the recording and take the new test. Yeah, very good. So whenever you need to do some action on the application, first of all you need to activate the application. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Insert order. Yes. Click on flight. Flight button you need to click it in order to select the flights. Okay. And then you can enter the name. Yes. And you can go for the open order. It's no, it's not open order. You can go for the file. Okay, anyway, you need to go for that practice. 1 second, I can stop here. Okay na? Okay ma, you need to practice. Okay, if you generate the script in this manner, it's not working. See, all the script you are generating like this, you are doing the some mishandling. Okay, so wrong handling you are doing. Okay, you need to go for the very perfect manner, otherwise you need to write the script manually after adding all the objects. Okay, so you need to practice more ma. Okay na? Okay, fine. This is we are calling as a modular framework. Okay na? Now I need to go for the another framework that we are calling as a keyword driven framework. So very important, and each and every company, almost all, they are followed. This is only the keyword driven framework. Okay, right. And once again I need to go for the what is the modular framework. Okay, so what is the modular framework we are done? First, depend upon our scenario, we need to go for the so basic script. So this is a basic script I can written first of all. This is we are calling as a login, and next I can go for the this is we are calling as a insert order, open order, logout ma. Okay na? Right. And this login purpose I need to create the another action and login, insert order, open order, logout. After that, these all we need to create as a reusable actions, reusable actions, reusable actions. These all the reusable actions I need to use it and prepare our driver script. Okay na? So this is we are calling as a modular framework. Already we are implementing practically, right? Okay. Now you need to go for practice that one. I will send you what is the navigation, these are all the things. Okay. And after that you need to practice more. And if you have any doubts, okay, and we can go for the next class we need to discuss these all the doubts. Okay. Okay, fine. Now I can give the very brief introduction about keyword driven framework. Keyword driven framework. So very important. Mostly all the companies are using this is only, right? First you need to create the folder structure. Okay, for example, what is a folder structure means, this is we are calling as a project name. Project name means, what is our project name? Flight application, for example. Okay, so I need to go for the here flight application only. This is flight application. For example, I need to create the flight automation. Okay na? So like this one folder I need to create it. After that, in this folder I need to create the some other subfolders. First one is test data folder. Okay, and next one is library folder, function libraries. After that, environment folder. After that, shared repository folder. After that, recovery scenario folder. After that, I need to go for the test. After that, I need to go for the log file. Okay, like this you need to create the one folder structure. So all the test data you need to store into the in this folder, all the test data files. To test any application we require test data, right? That all files you need to store into the this folder. Okay, all the functions you need to create and store into the this folder. All the environment files, all the shared repositories, all the recovery scenario, and what is the driver script we need to prepare, that all we need to store here. And finally output, this is a log file. Okay, like this you need to create the individual actions, okay, individual files into the corresponding folders. Very clear, right? Whenever we can create like this, now you can start the preparing your scenario in this manner. For example, this is we are calling as a driver script file. Driver script. Right. Now here we have the test data Excel files. Okay, test data. After that, this is we are calling as a function libraries. This is we are calling as a object repository. Okay, and this is we are calling as a keywords. Okay na? Right. This is also Excel files. And next you can go for the log file, output. And next you can go for the some other, okay, test file. Like this, these all the files you need to associate to these tests. Associated. Okay, and now here using this you can write the script, and these all the script you need to save into the this test folder. Whenever executing, output will be stored into the here. This is we are calling as a keyword driven framework. Here we are writing the keys. For example, here I am writing the keys: login, insert order, logout, again login, open order, logout. Okay, and now here I need to give the status y n y n y. Like this I need to give the execution flag. Depend upon this execution flag, that scenario will be executed, and finally output will be stored into the here. After preparing this all the script, just you need to modify into this file, Excel file, which scenario you need to execute it. In that place you need to write the y, otherwise in that place you need to write the n. Okay, in this manner, if you give the y and it will be executed, if you give the n, that will not execute it. Like this you need to prepare some other driver script here using these all the files, right? So this framework we are calling as a keyword driven framework. Using keys we can execute our total application. So this is we are calling as a keyword driven framework. Okay na? So now already we are discussed how to handle the Excel files. Okay, how to import the data into the Excel file to data table, how to get the data. So these are all the things we are covered already, right? And after that, how to create the function library and how to associate and how to use also we are covered. In same manner, object repository, shared repository, how to create, how to associate, how to manage. In same manner we need to go for the, this is also output also, how we need to store. Data table dot value, like this we are having, right? In same manner, using that all the features, and I can start the preparing the, okay, so keyword driven framework. Okay na? This is, I need to give the overall idea about keyword driven framework. If we have the total QTP features knowledge, then only you need to implement this framework very easily. That is the reason I need to discuss, before discussing the framework, all the QTP features. Each and every feature I need to discuss each and every class. Each and every class means one class I can discuss for how to handle the data table methods, how to go for the function libraries, object repositories. Yes, and same manner we can go for the environment files also, environment variables. Yes, so like this each and every topic we have discussed already. So using that all the information, I need to go for the keyword driven framework in this manner. Okay, using all the source files I need to go for that. Okay na? Means for example, I need to go for the test data like this. I need to test the one functionality, username and password like this. So I can write the username and password like this data. Okay. For function libraries, I need to go for in this manner. Function name is login, end function. And enter the username, enter the password, click on the login button. Same manner I can go for here some other functions like this. This is you are calling as a library file .vbs. Okay, to run this script we require object repository, shared repository, so that all the objects I can store here. Okay na? In same manner I need to go for the environment variables also. Like this all the files I need to create, using that all I need to go for in this manner. So this is we are calling as a keywords files. This is we need to prepare, and depend upon yn status I need to execute the particular scenario. This is the exactly company people will start the implementing, right? After preparing the keyword driven framework, so a junior also can execute this all the framework. So by giving the senior instructions they can provide the, okay, so in execution flag, for example we can go for the execution flag like this, for example they can prepare in this manner. Okay, test case ID and the test steps, and for example keywords, and this is you are calling as a execution flag, and this is you are calling as a result. Now I can write the test case TC001, and this is you are calling as a step 1. What is the step 1? Login. So you can write the keyword login, and same manner TC001 step 2 insert order. I can write the keyword is insert order, and same manner TC001 step 2 step 3 and logout, and logout keyword. And again okay, test case 2 step 1 I can go for the login, and here I need to go for the login, and same manner this is you are calling as a test case 2 and step 2 open order and logout, okay, and open order. Same manner TC002 and step 3 logout again. Like this I need to write it. After that I need to go for the execution flag here. Why I need to execute, why I need to execute, why I need to provide here. Okay na? Yes. For example, and this all I need to go for here. For example, yes. Right. Okay, I need to go for in this manner. Okay, this scenario I need to execute it, so I need to provide here y. Okay, this I need to execute it, so I need to provide the y and y and y. All I need to execute it, so I need to provide the y. Yes. Okay. For example, I need to execute these all the things, and result will be coming pass, 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 and fail will be coming. Fail will be coming. Okay na? Whenever these three will be failed, now I can go for the second build. I need to execute it only this. This no need to execute it. Okay na? So I need to provide in the second build these all n only. Okay. After that I executing it will be go for the pass, pass. Like this, by changing the keyword execution flag status, and our required scenarios will be executed. Okay na? This is the way we need to implement the keyword driven framework. So very clear, right? So this is only one brief introduction of keyword driven framework, and tomorrow session I will go for the very detailed manner, and practically I need to implement also. This is only company people will be expecting. Okay, right? Today what we are discussing, linear framework and modular framework, you need to practice very well. Okay, after that if you want to discuss this keyword driven framework, what is the topics we required, that all you need to practice before. Okay, tomorrow class we are coming. Before that you need to practice all the keyword data table methods, okay, and library files, object repository, and now we can go for the some other environment files. Like this you need to practice these all the things. Now you can feel very okay, so comfort manner, and you can realize, okay, these methods I need to use in this situation in my project. Okay, function library I need to use in this manner. Okay, shared repository, oh, in this manner I need to use proper manner in my project. Oh, real world also they need to work in this manner. Like this you need to get the feel compulsory. If you not practice, okay, and one Telugu guy is there, and if you see the Tamil movie, he is not understanding anything, right? And same like only, okay, if you not practice this all the things, and you are getting in that manner only. That is the reason I can stop here today, and tomorrow while coming to our session, okay, and you can practice this all very well. Then you need to feel very comfort manner. Okay, so what is the topics you need to cover? First one is data table methods, and and next one is function libraries, and next one is object repository, and next one is environment files. Okay na, and some other features. Okay, what we have discussed that all, and VB script, so many methods we have discussed, that all the methods also you need to learn and come to the tomorrow. Now we can go for the very detailed manner keyword driven framework, right? After that I need to go for the hybrid framework, right? And after that I need to go for the data driven framework also. So very clear. So this is okay, today class we can stop here only. Okay Nama, right? Yes, yes, yeah, sure, sure. You can go for the in my site. Okay, okay, and tomorrow up morning is available. Now you can go for that. So very clear. Okay ma, fine. So I can stop here. Okay, so very good. And if you practice more ma, if you have any doubts, and tomorrow we will discuss. Okay, yeah, yeah, fine ma. Okay, thank you.